Yes, I'm doing.
Pinga. The blinga. On the musica. Alright, I need to gonna change it a little bit. So say something, Harold.
No.
Okay, good.
This is so scuffed. I'm playing Minecraft on my school computer right now, just to test, right? And it's like really difficult to like there isn't really a left click or a right click. I feel like.
Oh shit! Wait,
Yeah.
wait before you say anything. I forgot. I am currently streaming as playing, but we're not playing. Oh, I forgot to update the title.
No, but I'm playing. So this.
Yeah, but I put it as the. Oh no, I forgot. This is no good. I need to update the title real quick. Come on. I need to update. We're not playing games right now. We are.
Well, I am.
Update titles. Making GIF editor order for Linux. All right. Link.
Why, like, Mac
Using
is literally the worst thing ever made.
Update. Okay, now.
Okay, so what I want to say first of all is Mac keyboards suck ass, bro. Like, why is the function key at the bottom left, bro? That's control, goddammit.
Yeah, that's true.
And I can't rebind
Category zigging in the bark. Oh my god, sorry. I'm so bad at thank you, payment operator. I don't know what I would do without you, man. All of this would be wrong. We would be playing games when we're actually programming.
Well, I'm playing games.
Okay, but Harold is playing games. Is there a programming category for YouTube? I don't think there is. Well, science and technology, we'll go with that.
Man.
And then we'll go for Twitch here. Is there SIG as a category?
No.
No, there's zigzag flag check. There is SIG.
What?
Yeah, SIG is a category.
Is Odin a category?
I don't know.
I just have to reassure my superiority
That
complex.
is software. Maybe I should still take something more software and development, because there's probably where people are searching for these things, not in SIG. Software or programming.
Oh, right.
Program.
I installed Steam on this one. Yeah.
Programming Penguin. There's a Programming Penguin category.
Yeah, we know about the Penguin operator.
Software and game development. Please. Well, now, but it's not like software develop. Well, I guess it's not game really per se, but you know it's there. SIG on Twitch is not a game. SIG on Twitch is not a prolang. It's a game. Oh, okay. It's a game. Okay. Ooh.
Yeah, it's a game.
All right.
Yeah, SIG. It's in the game. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Minecraft, because this computer, there is barely like a right click. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So basically I have to bind the like place, like block and interaction thing to E. Like E, as in EA, right? So it's super scuffed placing blocks and opening shit, but
Yeah, wait.
it's fine.
Wait.
Oh, I should install bar on this game, on this computer.
But it doesn't exist for macOS.
Oh, well, I just have to port it then.
I guess.
Never stopped me before.
Thank you,
They
and
probably
thank
have to-
you,
the Windows
Penguin Operator, for pointing it out that it was the wrong category. Just when I
Yes, thank
joined,
you,
you
Penguin.
changed the title to making GIF editor for links using Sigma. Yep.
Yeah, it's clickbait, bro. Clickbait. This guy, like, here the viewers want to see bar, bro. They want to see you at the bar with the bros.
Alright, but I need to fix. I don't know. How should I change it? Because I got like this selector here, right? I don't know if I even need this thing. Actually, all I need is to just be able
Selector.
to select
What
these.
the hell, bro? Is this Mac OS or something? Bro, they have a thing called selector, which is like.
I mean, like, because I did this
Mac
square
OS
box
users
for
want
selecting
to-
stuff. But I'm like, actually, what I just need to do is that I could make it so they hold right click, and then it selects on a timeline, and then left one is to scrub. Yes, we'll do that instead.
What games can you play? Among Us. Bro. This is so... Oh, wait. Why? Planetary Sigma? Wait.
No, you cannot play that on Mac OS. You cannot play that on Mac OS.
Yeah, well, you know, I might be a developer. So.
What are you saying?
Birdie.
The birdie.
Ooh,
But region,
Paris mod, bro.
we already got the region of first encounter. So we could actually do it right click and we wouldn't do the box thing instead at all. We don't need the box at all. We can just forget about the box. We don't even need a rect. No, we can get rid of rect.
We
Rect.
can erect.
Yeah, we can get rid of rect. We just need the. Well, we kind of need to. We do need to know. We do need to know. Actually, we do need to where it started from. We do need a rect.
Bro, gaming on macOS is so shit. Like 90% of the games don't even run. Bro, what? Not even Planetary Sigma runs.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't run there.
Yeah, what a piece of shit, bro. Imagine not supporting macOS. It's not like I was flaming on every single macOS user 2 seconds ago.
Let's see what we can do, because I draw the selecting box here, but we could change it a little bit. Interact UI, right? So we have, if you're dragging timeline, we prioritize that one first. But we would change this. We'll change this to just a if instead of an else if.
And so you're telling me what exactly?
And then we will change this to a right. And if you press down right,
Guys, do you think playing Counter-Strike with a touchpad is a good idea? I think it might be.
and we should only start doing this if we're pressing down right and that we are within the timeline. I think that makes most sense. Well, if you drag outside, should it? I think you shouldn't. Yeah, then you're probably doing something wrong. So we can actually do this. We can take this one out here. And then we can check if we are inside with the cursor within this area. So we got this public function point inside rect. You can actually do it even better.
Wait, I mean, Euro Truck Simulator 2 is 75% like off right now. That's crazy, bro.
Is inside. And then we'll take a position 2D. Bool. And now what we can do is we can go down here. We can take basically Well, shit. Well, it's okay. We'll just rechange it. That's not even a word.
Streaming Discord.
I'm streaming Discord.
You're not streaming in Discord.
Sure, now I'm streaming Discord.
Alright. So, let's say the bar. Oh, this ain't bar. What's this?
Krang joined. Welcome, Krang. Cool stuff, man. Are you self-taught or went to college? Well, I'm currently going through college, starting my 3rd year of
Lucas
bachelor.
is unemployed, by the way.
Unemployed?
Yes.
What does that have to... Anyways.
No, this is something to state, you know.
And yeah, I do have like... I have been taught by multiple of people. I've gone through school, the 42 network. It's really good. I learned C programming over there. But most of the things I have been self-taught.
Did you say learned C programming?
Yeah, and then
That's
I do...
funny, bro.
The guy who's yapping right now in the call, Harold, he has also taught me a lot about SIG programming. C?
Yeah, and C programming, bro. Bro, you don't know how to code C, alright? I've seen your goddamn includes, bro.
Bro, it still works. Shut up.
It works, but it's really dumb, bro, and it just makes your life worse.
No, but yeah, most, like, of course, like, I haven't, the things that I use have I not been taught in school. None of the things. I wouldn't say there's a single thing that I have been taught in school that I have used in actual programming. No. Mainly because in school we learn object-oriented programming, and I'm not a big fan of it, so I don't use any observer patterns, singletons, or anything like that. I use data-oriented, which
sure, buddy.
Which feels better. I'm gonna put this in here, and let's see. We don't need an extra one of those. Probably. Oh wait, that wasn't extra, was it? Now. And let's see here, we got the if, we're not gonna get a kind of like mouse position, we don't even need to do an if here, we can, well, actually based on the logic that I'm doing, we do need to do this way, but we can actually change this to...
Running in logic is crazy.
Turn. And then we can add that over there. And now we just need to change this, we do need to take in self though, actually just realized, because otherwise this will not be... So do have self, but it's not gonna be just this. Anything that has mouse is basically just gonna go like that. And then node. Wait, hold on. No, this is actually the position. I'm a donkey. I just realized it's okay to be a donkey sometimes. This one was supposed to be. What's this, Sean? And then node is supposed to be... This is supposed to be direct. Whoa. Wah! No! It's okay. We go again. Actually, we can do this now. Oh, it's self. It's called self. Damn it. Okay, I got this now. This time I got it. Self. There we go. A cool chill stream, man. This year will be my first year in computer engineering, and any helpful thoughts concerning this matter? I mean, really depends on where you're going, to what university, to be honest. Every university has their own thing. It depends on so much about you, like, why are you choosing it to be? I'm not criticizing why you're choosing it, alright? That's not it.
Why are you choosing
why?
it, bro? Why? How dare you choose that?
No, but honestly, like, I think you know best, to be honest. It's just...
Nah, bro, you're a YouTuber, bro, you know everything.
I have opinions, but that everybody has. But... yeah, like, why are you choosing to do that? If anything, something that I haven't watched... I do follow a lot of his philosophy, but I haven't watched this myself, but it's really good. It's C programming, handmade hero. Bro, this thing. Just
Handmade
it's well,
hero.
he's making a game, but it's really nice, and I have been suggested this many times just because what I do is basically following Casey's speech basically about how to do things. I try to. And he's really good.
If that's the case, why does his code look okay and your look
Well,
shit?
embedded system, I thought AI can't cross the hardware part.
AI?
Embedded systems, I thought AI can't cross the hardware part. I'm not sure what you mean by AI can't cross the hardware part. But it doesn't really, like, even if you do, like, computer engineering, I'm also doing, well, I think it's called, it's data technique, which is, I would assume it's translated to computer engineering. Technology, yes. But I'm also doing computer engineering, and doesn't really matter what you choose. If you want to do software, software can you still do whatever you pick. And I haven't done much embedded systems myself. Just a little bit of Arduino, and that's pretty much it. But I think you should pick something that you wanna make for whatever deep reason you have for it. That's the best way to learn. Like, make things that you want to make.
Not if it's a shallow reason, only a deep reason. So
Because when you have something that you want to create, you have like the drive to make it happen. But even whatever you choose, I would still recommend Casey and get to know this guy, because he has a lot of good videos on how to program in a good way that makes sense. Let's see, but I should be able to now. The position isn't those.
But like the thing is, I've seen some of Casey's code because I did, like, when I was learning how to do OpenGL on Windows, right? I looked at his code, and you know, it's very C.
It is, because he talks. He is
codes in C.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, but it's
or
very
actually he
C.
does C++ because research, but he does also C.
Yeah, but you know, it's just very outdated. Yeah, I know, man.
Harold is just a common hater on C. Don't listen to him.
Well, bro, at least I know C compared to you. Like, you see, you're living in.
He's just an average hater. We can't do much about it. It's the
because you don't know.
He has a condition.
You don't know. You don't know how bad C is because you don't understand it. You don't know C. You have to know your enemies.
Let's see. Mouse stay.
Yeah, you know, if you know your friends good enough, you know that they are your enemy. Yes.
Point is inside. Rect is inside. But that doesn't make sense. I'm gonna rename that to point position inside. Point is inside. Inside. Rect in. That's point inside. Intersects, contains. Ooh, contains. Does that make sense? Rect contains mouse position. Not contains. Until I pick. Rect contains mouse position. That should still do the same stuff that we have done before, but it's just a little bit of a function now. So let's see if it, yeah, it does the same thing. And now we just have it on right click this thing, but yeah, verifier. And this should be a public thing. Public, yes. So we should now be able to do the same thing in here. I was wondering if there is much programming like in software engineering or dev. I hope not, to be honest. Wait, what? I was wondering if there is so much programming like in software engineering or dev. I hope not, to be honest. I mean, engineering in today's world, anything really starts to get more integrate with programming, no matter what you choose. But engineering do come, at least for me, it came also with software courses, but they're not that hard. They're like Python and Java. So
But you know Java, so then it was easy.
yeah, it was.
Yeah, because you're an object-oriented professional.
Yeah. That's why I know that when you write code that you're writing it object-oriented, because I see the patterns.
No. I don't
You
think
told
so.
I'm a professional. I know, bro. I know what I see.
No, you're not a professional at seeing, you're only a professional at writing object-oriented. You're like
Cool.
a blind dog that's, you know, he can bark, but he can't see anything.
But
You
yeah,
know, he can't
so
see what he's barking at.
I was wondering if there's, so yeah, you will have either way like programming, but it's programming. It's still like in a. It's nothing to be worried about. Programming is quite
Yeah,
logical, and if you're
yes.
already choosing engineering,
Comes from this guy, he can't even use a function pointer. Hell no.
if you already choose engineering, so programming will be like the easier part of the whole thing, anyways. I would say.
Yeah, well, that's what they want you to believe. Yeah,
Okay,
but
wait,
Lucas
I'm
is
gonna
kinda like
pass
one of those
in.
red-pilled like dudes, you know. He's like a scammy whammy because he doesn't know how to code. So it's like, yeah.
It seems like
Yeah,
I
be careful
need
when you're
the
taking
position of the mouse more frequently than I was expecting here. So let's do it once in But I already store it? Why am I doing it so damn hard for myself?
Yes.
I could literally just do this const mouse position is equal to UI mouse state and then position. Then I don't even have to do any casting. And then I can, oh my god, I can literally just do this. Mouse position. I will do this real quick. Wait, region, select. Right, I cannot get it as a, okay, that didn't work really as I thought it would. It's okay. Maybe I should position. Nah, I think this is better still. Fuck. That should still work the same way. Yeah, except for that it's... And then something is wrong there. Okay, parentheses. Why can I not... What the fuck?
Parentheses, check.
Should be fine. It's not. Why is this not fine? Because no field name. Left. Okay, now it's fine. So it should do the same thing still. Yeah, pretty fire. So what we can do now is that we can do it here, and timeline rectangle contains mouse position. Then we want to do this thing. So wait, what the fuck? Still triggers it though. But okay, I don't want to draw this, but I want to now actually calculate these shits. So why is it still happening here? Interesting. Region, because this is the... Oh my god, I'm a donkey apparently. Yes, I am a donkey. What we have to do is change this logic. Okay, so it's actually already out here that I want to do that. And then what I want to do is here, this thing of this. So now if I, yeah, so now right clicking here doesn't work, so it only is here. Haha. Nice. So, and then left clicking should still play this thing. Alright, it can't because it's triggering all of those ones. It's a little bit of a dumb workaround I do right now because this is the reason why I use immediate mode, so I can't do these things and now I'm cheating it. And also, this thing should follow along if I start clicking here. Or should it? I think it's... I'm not gonna try to fix or make that cleaner until I run into the case where it actually becomes annoying. Now I'm trying to hypothetically make it look good, and I don't even know what good is. Okay, here
You're never gonna know what good is anyway, so it's nice now. You don't need to try, okay? So can we do this?
See, we can do this. So now we got the selection here. I want to now be able to do the cut on it. So in here we have CED basically. We can now add another option: window, keyboard, get, and we can get X. I'm gonna use for a cut based on selection. It's pressed. Try. And how the fuck will this work? Oh legit. Oh, that's that. That's that. Thank God it didn't compile. That would not have been good. We're returning. We can do this. I know exactly. Oh, fuck. No. We can take this. We're gonna do basically the same thing. It's gonna be slightly different. Maybe we even want to do a little bit of a new line over here. Wait, and I got this. Why is my shit not working? Oh, that's why it's... Let's see, what's the problem? What's the problem? I would like to get you on a new line. It says that unreachable code. Well, that's not good, is it now? What the fuck is that unreachable? Ah, I see. No, I don't. Anyways. It's really? No, can I get a... I just want this thing so I can get it on a new line. Okay, I don't know what it was lying about, but... So in here, I would like to... We want to start from where we got the selection. Now, we also do want... This one is gonna be a little bit special compared to the other ones. Because now... What the fuck? We do want to do this. We want to try there. And then we want to do this like that. And then what we're going to do is we're not going to say where the virtual index are. We're going to say where we got the self box selection frames first, right? That's where we want to take it out from, and look at that, it's done already, so we don't even need to worry about any of this. We can just say self select box select frames count. And this is why it's going to be special, because we also need to clear it, otherwise we'll be working over the same frames. Can I just say this? Do they have defaults? Oof. They do have defaults, but I think the problem is that missing structure field. First should be, well, I guess it's because just when you create it. Oops. I'm gonna call it pub const structure. What the fuck? Frame range. Just range. Frame range. Oh, we can call it frames, I guess. Call it frames, or we can call it this range, or we call. Oh my god, I'm dumb as fuck. Sorry. Gonna take this from here, basically, and put it there. That like almost worked. And then I'm gonna say equal to 0. Then what we can do here is we can take this to be frame range, and then just equal to the default values, and then a little bit of new, and that works. Wow, look at that. So now if you press X, it should clear this out, and it should remove those frames. Let's see, we're gonna try on something that is special in the mid section. Oh, there we had something. Look at that. Now this line is highlighted. So it's about from here to there, right? Yeah, so now there shouldn't, if I press X, this will be gone. Fuck, I didn't say that was not what happened. Well, something jumped there, but I think I didn't get it quite right, did I? Fuck. I have no way of proving it either. Or was it that I just had one section where... Okay, because it's definitely the jump here, but did I not cut? Okay, we're gonna try again. X. Now there shouldn't... Okay, no. Something is cutting completely wrong here, because I still got them. Or... Okay, now. Yeah, now it doesn't cross that shit. But I don't think it's right. I should probably number the frames so one could see, like... Oh wait, I can hold both of these at the same time to get the... Oh, okay, that's fire. Let's see. Let's say I didn't like that it stayed there on the 4-2, right? So we can do this, and we can go over to here. So now it will cut from here to there. So we won't have any of those frames. Cut that. Let's see. Do we have anything that does that? 4-2, 4-2, 4-2. Nothing on 4-2. Okay, let's see. Please don't go there. Oh, okay. I think it works. Yeah, it works. Nothing stayed there on the 4-2. Okay, so the cut is alright. Good. I'll be back. Alright, payment operator. We'll see you in a bit. Okay, I think that's pretty good. That's pretty good. We can probably also now get rid of this thing, so we get that. Uh-oh. I don't really like it too much that I do the construction of the UI and then I do the logic here after, but I kind of depend on it being like that for direct. Unless if I did it before I did it. It's so smart with theories. I don't know. But anyways, we can now cut both from both ends. We can count from the beginning of this whole section by a keystroke, and we can cut this whole all the way from here to there with a keystroke, and then we can do a selection if we want to cut something in between there. So it's pretty cool. I like it. That's pretty much all we need to be able now to actually export this thing, I guess. Well, I guess I would like to be able to see a little bit more actually. Fuck, I cutting because this is not the best. Is it? Also, one thing I just realized I don't like. This thing it seems to be underneath it, isn't it? Or I don't know. Let's see. It is. So I want the playhead to be on top of it. So I'm gonna put it here. There. So now it's on top. Still get a little bit of an odd behavior, but this is fine. All right. Gonna add that. Made it working cutting out frames. Push. Seems like I deleted more than I added. Oh yeah, I actually did. Okay. And then no. I mean, I think I need an actual use case to see what I would like to improve. So I think I'm gonna do that. We got the data we actually wanna use. Now we just need to export it as a real thing. I guess we would press a button for that, and then in the system we would read that button press here from the update. When we do output, we could check the output ready to the export, and then would do the export. Yeah. Let's see. I think that would make most sense. This one shouldn't be. This one is just the editor interacting with the editor and that shit. Alright, time to learn something new then, I guess. Hello. I have never exported a GIF or WebP before from raw data. How could I do that with FFmpeg as a sub-process or child process? As a or something else. Let's see. I think. Let's see. We'll see. We'll find out. We'll find out. Because we got exactly the right frames over here we have in the clip. Because we have the raw data here basically, and then we got the actual order of frames that we want out of the raw frames. So then we will just filter through those ordered frames that we care about, and we'll basically smash that into one little shit. One little export. And then we can also look into, probably with FFmpeg, there is something easy to just put in format and whatnot, and we can just put that as an option inside of the UI to select what you would like to export as. But we'll see what are the options here, and then we'll combine these pieces and see what what we can make out of it. Frame storage, FFmpeg usage. I could probably just have guided it that we already got the raw data there. Now it had to search for it, but it's whatever. It's okay. It's okay. Hopefully it's okay. Exploration confirmed. Frames are already tied to packed RBGA in frames. It's already spawned for decode and there's no encode path yet. The export is the mirror image of load pipe frames into FM STD instead of reading them in STD out, writing the plan. Remember, I wanna write. You just tutor me. Hello, Andrew. How are you? Did you play any more bar yesterday? Or have you played more bar today? Nope. Nope, not at all. Nothing. Let's see. I'm gonna do. Why is it? It didn't even listen to what I wrote. I said I'm gonna write, and it went like I'm gonna write. Like what? All right, but I'm gonna still write here a export basically. For now, that's basically all that we're gonna. I cannot call it export. To export. Request. Let's see. We kind of finished playing today, if you think about it. Kind of finished playing today, if you think about it. What do you mean by that? Forgot that built-in offline neural network. What do you mean, Britzy key? But that's cool. It sounds cool at least. What do you mean? Hello, Osarko. And welcome to the stream, guys. Welcome. How did you find this stream? Save you typed a guide here, the shape mirror of your load, but writing off FFmpeg STD instead of reading the STD out. FFmpeg side. F raw video means input is bare pixels, no header. So you must tell it everything the header would have said. FFmpeg video error format raw video pixel format RBGA. Is it size, width, and height? And then -r num. Then what the fuck is that R num then? Dash I pipe 0 y dash y filter complex, and then we're gonna ask all about for WebP swap the tail for C colon V lib WebP 0 loop 0. Okay, we're gonna look into WebP later. Picks the format from the extension. The GIF filter chain exists because plain GIF output dither filter chain exists because plain GIF output dither to a fixed 256 color palette and looks awful. No, I like that. Your side system sibling of load. Note export is a sig keyword. Name it export clip. Yeah. Like after. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Actually, we finished today in that sense. We played all the way until midnight. That's true. I completely forgot about that. SD format print buffer the width and height and num then string first real use of your FPS num FPS 10. Okay, so it's the frames. Okay. Let's see. STD process spawn with STD pipe variable right child STD in right. Okay, then for clip order items I try write interface write all clips frame items. No, iterate. Okay, yeah. Okay, now it makes sense. Yeah, frames. So your cuts count. Flush then close the STD in the. Okay, that makes sense. Trigger once export flag on editor. By E drain system update. Ask if any fightbacks. Okay, so we can begin with a little bit of a clearer explanation about this. that we're gonna be doing basically, because I'm not sure v error. Wait, no, I wanted to know dash. What is the? Well, we can actually just look it up in the dash help, but you know, this can give a little bit of more explanation. What is the dash r num? That was apparently frames per second, but what is the then? And then we'll do here at the bottom, basically, of system. We'll do this function. And what was it we wanted it to be called? Because we can't use export. It had a good name for load. Your side system sibling of load is your name export clip. I think it had a better name also for it somewhere mentioned. Export clip. Export clip. I like that then. We're gonna have to take. Do we need a GPA? We already got all of the information that we do need. Well, an STD run does need it. Okay. STD mem allocator. And then IO. STD IO. I guess we'll just hardcode it. Name for it to be exported as. But this one would also need to take in. We need to take in the clip. We could take it by reference or by value. Doesn't really matter which one, because it's not that big anyways as a structure on its own. It's literally just a few bytes. Because this one just copies the pointers to the raw data inside of it, so we are fine in that sense. So all of these are completely fine to just take as a value. You don't even need to take it as a pointer. So we'll take export clip, and then we'll take in the clip as a value because it's fine. And then error void. I think that's okay. And let's see, I think it explained this. Or frame rate. How the raw input as a fraction. Fill in your clips from fprov, i.e. 30/1. Raw pixels carry no timing to. What is then? I was about to assume like the Terminator, but is it called that? I think so. So without it, what does the then stand for? Denominator. Oh my god, it's not dominator. It's the denominator. Of course it is. Rate is fractions, num then i.e. Oh, so you can get the fractional like those ones. Oh, that's okay. I was always wondering like, why not just write it then as a, okay, I guess it takes less space to just store that than the actual fraction, yeah. Huh. What if you just had it as a string? And just write, and just parse it. I don't know. I don't know why they store it like that. But okay, then it makes sense, I guess. So then, not to reserve but filter complex here, but let's ask about that as well. Wait, we do input pipe 0, then the y this thing, and then it's gonna do it as a output GIF, right? So that's fine right now. Can you explain more about -y? Songhang, hello Lucas, long time. I see your new video and decided to come here a little bit. All right, thank you. What did you think about the new video? It was my first time trying to do somewhat a tutorial kind of. It was kind of like a conceptual tutorial because I didn't really go through how you actually write the code. I don't know like what happened to Planetary Sigma? What are you trying to create here? Planetary Sigma is on hold. I mean, I don't know. I want to create something that is more or less useful. And Planetary Sigma was just, it was. I didn't find that the how could I say? I thought if I wanted to make a game that is fun to play, I can aim for something different or easier to grab than that thing. And it was like, it was fun making it. I probably could continue making it, but then I was like, my priorities are actually just making something useful or fun. And the effort I would have to put into Planetary Sigma to actually to get to that point would be so much greater when there's lower fruits hanging. Alright, leave my thought in the new video in the comments. Alright. Good. I will read them soon. After this live stream probably. And then this is the video editor, or GIF editor and recorder that I'm working on, because there is none for Linux apparently, so yeah. I'm working on this. Dash Y overwrite the output file without asking. Without it, if temp GIF exists, fmpeg prompts override yes. On STD in, and your STD is the pixel pipe, so it would hang or eat frame data. What is the filter complex? And the filter complex, we probably have to look for that before we do the export, but right now I'm not gonna worry about it. It will override whatever GIF I got there. Filter graph. GIF only allows 256 color per palette, so split A, B, duplicate the stream into 2 copies. What? Palette gen, copy 1, scan all frames, build the best fitting 250 color palette. Okay. And palette use copy to the palette, remap every frame to it. Skip it and deters to a generic built-in palette with noticeable words. I think we'll add that later. I think that is for later, without clear proof. I don't want it. So we will ignore that one until we actually get to a point where it's like it's annoying, because it's just more things to worry about right now otherwise. But no, it's just video error, format raw video, and pixel format is RPGA, size is that, render frames is num over denominator, and then the input is pipe 0, and then yes, overwrite for temporary out GIF. Yeah, that seems to be pretty good. GIF editor interesting. This is the first time I heard about it. What it's different from a video editor or smaller? It's basically just really small thing. There is a thing called screen to GIF on Windows. Also to find something Linux don't have and work on it, respect, yeah. No, there is Hypershot, but it crashes for me on Arch, and I don't know, it's not exactly what I want, so I'm just like, I just need this thing, and I haven't found that anything that does a quick. Basically what I want is, you do a quick selection, right? You quickly just draw a selection, and then it records it, and then once you end the recording, it pops up in an editor where you got the timeline, and then you can easily, because usually it takes time for you to set up the recording, you don't want this part, and then it takes time for you to end it, so you don't want that part, and then you could say, oh, there was this place where I just stalled for a long while, so I can also remove that, and this is what I care about, right? And this is just a quick record, quick cut, and then you just export as a GIF, and it takes less space, and you can then upload it to places where you're restricted on size. Discord, for example, which I like to use a lot, or web pages where you don't want it to load forever to load a GIF, or then also to just compress the format quickly. Once you have, like, when you take a GIF, you just quickly want to record it and quickly edit it and upload it, right? You don't want to take up OBS, record the thing, then go into a DaVinci Resolve, start editing and putting it there, and then have to export it there and then upload it. You just quickly want to record it and just do the cuts and upload, right? It's simple. I don't want to do all of this other shit. And that exists for Windows and Mac OS, but I haven't found it for Linux. Hypershot, I haven't gotten to try it because it just crashes every time. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna make it. Fuck it. Okay. And yeah, okay. So basically, we got here now. We got everything that we need. Do I? How was it planned to do this? Because if I'm gonna iterate, okay, I do it once I do. Okay, I see. So we get in the clip, and then we basically want to do a. Do I do it to a var? If I run the process, and then I write to it. This is WebP. I'm not interested in that. Process spawn. Okay, it's a process spawn, not a process run. It's same as this one, right? Spawn or child. There's... Do I have to do like an... No. Var child std process spawn. And then we're gonna give it the IO. And then in the options... Well, it was std in. We want to be able to pipe. And then we have to do a try on this thing as well. I'm back. Welcome back, Penguin Operator. What were you doing, huh? And Andrew is in the call. Let's see. Okay, we got the child process. And then we want to write, first of all, just... Do we actually want to, like... Okay, because usually... Okay, that's what you do when you want to... String first real use for... std write for... Seems like a good concept. If the output is that GIF and small enough to be sent on Discord, I will 100% use it. Yes, I'm also considering doing WebP because it's... you know, apparently better. It is, I've understood, and Discord supports it. I'm also doing this... The only thing that is a little bit restricting right now is that we're doing it with Vulkan, and we're using 1.3 feature shader objects for the rendering. Might have to do this to Vulkan 1.1, so more people could use it, but... And yeah, it's only working on Linux, this thing. We don't... Well, there is potential to make it work on other platforms, but... First of all, I'm just trying to make it work on my computer. Otherwise it would be quite... I don't know. Would be kind of weird to try to predict everything. But, okay. Let's see, var... writer it's equal to, and then we have the child std in writer, and then we need a buffer that we write to. What are you saying?
Yeah, Lucas, you love children, right?
Oh my god, this guy, Harold, how could you?
Bro, answer the damn question. Do you love children?
What is a good size for a buffer for a writer?
He's ignoring the question.
Is it like 248 or?
Nah, like 6-7.
Oh, okay. Does it really matter? Is there just a size that usually is used? It will crash and burn.
Do you want 1v1 or 1 versus AI?
Well, what would you prefer?
1v1?
Yeah, sure. I'll move us to Lucas VP then.
I probably want to spawn with the orcs of this, I just realized. Okay, we're gonna do that. Yeah, probably gonna go and play the, what's it called? It's called Beyond All Reason. It's a really good game. I wanna play it. We're here riding this this thing now. It's okay. Okay, so is it? It's FFM tag. I don't know, I will add those tabs as I see the next parameter if it's worth it or not. That should be error, and then we want the, what was it? It was -f -f raw video, and there we could see that there would likely be two. So wait. Lately I did also learn. Lately I did also learning Sig. I see you guys hype it up too much to try out Vulkan 1.4 and also implementing hot reloading too. I'm basically following your path, lol. Yeah, but hot reloading is so fucking awesome. Like, it's so nice. I'm trying to make an API for decent procedural generation 3, but lately I've been losing interest to code. Any advice? I used to have it, but I also lose interest in for programming at some points. And I would say just you kind of need to know, first of all, why you want to program, why you should program, and another thing is also don't have competing interests. And if you do have competing interests, usually those interests are maybe something you should still be doing instead. I used to think that spending time with family wasn't really that important, so I was like, I'm just gonna program, but in some cases it just made me feel bad that I didn't do it. So now I spend more time with family, and when I'm spending time with family, I'm honestly there. I'm not thinking about programming. But also be clear that I do still have strict boundaries that sometimes if a family member would like to spend time, I say, no, today I can't, because today I'm actually programming, and then I'm like dedicated to the task. So no matter what you do, not just for programming, I know you're asking for advice for programming, but just stay dedicated to the thing that you're doing and don't think about another thing. Because that also includes your programming, that if you're programming, stay dedicated to the programming. Forget anything else that may worry you, because that's not what you're supposed to be doing. And if you're supposed to do programming, but you're worrying about everything else, like, obviously you're not gonna be doing programming then. And then you're gonna feel awful, and then you're gonna associate that, or may associate that with programming and think that programming is the problem, when in reality you're just wasting your time thinking about something else. And another thing to get kind of like going with programming, that's where you have to decide that you need to know what are you going to attempt to get done, and then just focus on that thing attempted to get it done. It's usually like, for me at least, is that if I don't feel like programming, it's because I don't really have it clearly defined for me what do I say that I want to make, let's say, a game, but that's too abstract. What does that mean? There's so much things, and then your brain it cannot focus on that one thing it's supposed to get done. You're going all over the places, trying to make sense of an endless possibility, right? That's gonna hurt like a lot but if you can get it down to just this one thing, right? That line that's gonna, or make this one behavior. It doesn't even like have to be exactly like this behavior has to work exactly this way, but you have to say that once I'm done, the goal is for me to be able to push, for example, a player. You don't have to define how much force or what direction, but it has to happen when you press the middle or mouse button, left mouse button, the player is being pushed. Because now you have clear defined what to get done. And then you can also see it to basically get it done. And that's a sense of progress. And then you have to make the next step. It can be polishing, if that's what you want to do. But the point is to have that is so you cannot get distracted by something else, because then you can always just ask yourself the question, are you doing this thing that you said yourself you were going to do, right? So it always you can always bring yourself back to that. And then stay present, basically. Just stay present on the task at hand. And don't worry about your programming stuff if you're not programming. Of course you can write them down real quick, but don't let them consume you outside of programming, because then you're destroying the moment that you're spending with other people, basically, for yourself. Maybe they don't notice it, but you are not present there with them. I'm just speaking from my own experience at this moment, but yeah, that's what I would say. I don't know if it helps, but I wish you still the best. Try stuff out. That's honestly the best. Just try and see what works for you. This is how I found worked for me, at least. I haven't had a day where I now wake up and I'm like, I don't feel like programming, because I feel like I can program all day, because I can clearly start defining and making a plan for myself, how to get what I want done. But I used to be in a very deep spot where I was like, I don't feel like programming, but I'm just gonna program, but it was just, I didn't focus on the task at hand. It was bad. It was real bad. Okay. Where were we? We were, pixel format. I think I would like to... I don't like this way of doing it too much. We're gonna do FMT, like so. But I guess it kind of makes sense, but I'm gonna do this because this is kind of associated with the pixel format tag. So RBGA. And then it was, what was it? It was size. And that one will come in as WX. Was it WX? Ah, it's like that. X height. And then what was another thing? I'm gonna fix the indentation correctly after this, because otherwise I'm going back and forth doing it. Num frames. Oops. Numbers frames, or this is num over the determinant them then. What's them then? And then we have the dash input pipe, and then yes, we can do it on a new line. Dash input pipe. Is it 0? And then we're gonna have the... Oh, I've got the... We're gonna do it after. And then we're gonna have dash yes. And then we're gonna have the output, which is gonna be... Is it dash t slash tmp? Yeah. Out.gif. Sig. GIF. Like so. Now we can fix the indentation a little bit. Okay, it seems like the sig did it for me. Formatting did it for me. It's okay. I don't know if I like it that much, because it's well, I guess it will be fine. It's fine. Alright, and now we will do a for loop here on the frames 4, and we will take the clip, not child. Clip, and then we have the ordered items. Well, we could actually just iterate this on their own. We don't really need the index, do we? No, we don't. So we can actually capture that. Then we will capture it as a reference, and we'll say it's a frame. Well, actually, this is the index. I'm a donkey. Damn, so dumb. Okay, well, this is the frame index. Ooh, it's okay. Because I forgot, it's just, yeah. It's okay. It's okay. We may need a bigger buffer size though. I don't think so. We're fine. We're fine. We can do writer. Is it how do one do this? It's interface. Oh my god. And then write all. And we're gonna provide the bytes of the clip, frames, items, and the index, frame index that we care about. And is that it? And then we can do writer flush. Oh. Now that's pretty fire. Wait, so we didn't need the allocator. Oh, we don't need the allocator. Yeah, that's actually pretty good that we don't need it. Let's get rid of it. We do need that. Yeah. And then we did child. We wait out. I think that's it, right? And we do need to do a little bit of a... We need to call this thing, but we're gonna ignore the return value. And I did it on the... Wait, what? Now I'm killing it. I'm pretty sure I was supposed to wait on it. Thanks, Luke. I think it's true that I think too much about finding job AI stuff when I'm code 2. I'm gonna get on bed and think about it now. It is sad that when you stream it's like 2 AM for me. Oh. Yeah, sorry, yeah, okay, yeah. I sometimes streams earlier, but with AI and job, don't worry, you're not the only one. I think everybody is in that boat, but one thing for sure, worrying about it won't give you anything better. So also for your sleep in general, this is not a coding problem also you're having. If you're going to sleep stressed, anxious, you're basically depriving yourself of more sleep, which is a bad feedback loop in that sense. It's not really a feedback loop, it's a bad loop. And also there, like, remember that worrying doesn't give you any damn benefit. I don't know if it makes you more worried to know that. But just, at least at the end of the day, enjoy that you get to sleep in that sense, you know, that you still have that night, at least, you know. You don't know what will come tomorrow, but don't waste at least the sleep, because the sleep is what will at least have a higher, make you... The sleep will allow you to have a better day tomorrow. If you sleep well, like, I think you need to kind of prioritize that above all. Let's see, what happened? Sagism 0ND, fuck yeah, we got Lucas camera now. Hello. How Nia Mari here? How is it going? From Lorenzo cam. It's hello, and hello from Lorenzo as well. Wow, Lorenzo server. No, it's very much bad feedback loop. Make sure to chill out hour before bed at least. Yes. Sleep is like, it's so underestimated. Like sleep is the like honestly, like if you fuck the sleep, man, that's bad. Don't fuck the sleep. Don't fuck the sleep. Yeah. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. What we need for this to work. Interesting. There's so much you can do with this. I didn't know. This. This is very interesting. I think there's probably a lot more to it as well. Imagine like all of this palette stuff. Holy shit. Imagine actually knowing all of those parameters. Jesus Christ. Somebody is there. I swear somebody's out there. Sleep is distrat. Min-max it. Yeah. For real. But yeah, how is it over there at the Lorenzo server? All good. Move to Twitch, lower latency here. Yeah, I don't know why. Apparently it is lower latency there. But how is it over there at Lorenzo server? Is everything good there? What are you guys up to nowadays? I haven't been there much lately. I've been so busy with my own stuff. Own problems. Let's see, we're gonna change the output here, and we're gonna start up the application in a bit. I think we can actually now start it. Let's see, we're gonna see here. Let's say that if you do, we could probably do a switch case on the keyboard instead of doing all of this. I don't know if you can do a switch case. I don't think Harold. No, because we do need to check every single key, so that's not gonna work. It's equal to press. And then, actually, what we'll do here, we will change this to this. And then in the return value, we'll say request X. What the fuck is an export? We'll do that instead. And then we'll change this to export. Alright, wait. Oh, it's quiet there. He's fucking off to tending to his horse as per usual. Yeah, he'll resurface with new product in like half a year or so. Also, you do raw Vulkan or wrote your own API on top of it by now? No, I'm always kind of like I do reuse like old code, but I don't have like a set kind of how do you say API for it or abstraction. I always like just take the old one and then I see, because I kind of like see what's the need for this project and I like tweak it to that project's needs. I haven't made it so generic that you can just plug and play it everywhere, because I think that would consume too much time to make such an abstraction. And you would have to go too much into the details of every possibility that you could use Vulkan for to be able to do that. I'm like, I'm just gonna do the things that I need. TTS is cheap as fuck here.
GBF here. Neat. My sprinkler goes like this: Saint and comes back like
Oh my god, yeah, the text to speech is pretty cheap. I haven't had so many people abuse it yet that it's worth lowering it, so I think it's more fun when people use it at the moment than lowering the cost of it, so Yet, yeah, I'm not that famous, you see. Okay, this should be all right now. We should be able to receive a basically a output here, and then we can draw and then submit. And then what we could also do here is that if I think we'll do it at the end of the draw. Yes, well, doesn't really matter too much. If request export, we will call the export clip, passing in the self IO. Now, how do I get self editor and then clip? Boom. And that will require a try. Let's see, did I get everything right? Seems like I didn't, and that's probably because that is also requiring a try. What the fuck? Error union ignored. Yep. Try. And is that also a try? Yep. And that is also a try. Yeah. Alright, let's see. We are not gonna get any recording even though it asks for override. Okay, so this is currently the animation, right? Let's say I didn't, recording. Let's say I didn't want this initial one. So was it C to cut that part? Oh shit! I should probably make a little bit of better user interface to remember my buttons. It was C to cut from beginning. So let's say I don't want where it's like this. I want to show immediately when it's yellow at the bottom. So we're gonna do one cut over there, so we don't have that part. And let's say at the end, I want the cursors to end at that point, so we're gonna press D. And now it did work, so the cursor will end on this link. And I don't like this when the cursor happen to be here on this part, so we're gonna select that and we're gonna press X. So now we shouldn't even go above the 4.2. Let's see. Yeah. And if I press E, hopefully my computer don't die now. Oh, but the application did. Or no, the application kept on, it goes on. Oh, does it? Okay, so it was just the export that failed. Oh, thank God. Oh. How about you clip something that looks moving and not jumping text Lamau? Oh yeah, I should probably do that, but it hasn't. I don't have a convenient thing moving on my screen right now, so I haven't done it. I just oh, look the cursor. The cursor is the only thing that's moving. Let's see. Unable to parse frame rate option value numbed and oh my God! Wait. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. That's true. True. We're gonna have to do a little bit of a modification over here. This has to be a format. I don't know how to make this in a smart way, so I'm gonna make it the dumb way that I know it will work. My ass didn't see a cursor. What? It is there. Wait, here, look. It's there. That's. Don't you guys see it, right? That it's moving now, and now it's hovering the link. Oh, okay, good. Well, I was wondering about my stream quality. That how awful it is. Okay, but because we need. I didn't back then filter it out. Yes. Well, to be honest, I think the chat is like kind of like somewhere around here for you, so it's kind of hard to see what I'm talking about sometimes. And also now it's super small here, so I guess it makes sense. But yeah, we need to. I didn't really think this through. We need to actually give a width and height, and we do need to give it a numerator and denominator. We cannot just say width and height. I think we can't say that. I think we need to actually give it the values of this. So I'm gonna say size. It's gonna be equal to std fmt. Maybe there's a smarter way to do it, but this is this I know how to do. Shit, I don't know how to do this. No, I know how to do this. We're not gonna use an allocator. We're gonna just do buff print like so. We're gonna make a temporary buffer for this case. That's what we'll do. So it's the buffer, and then the format, and then the arguments. So we're gonna have a var size buff, which will be, I don't think, how big can a screen maximum be? It's like it's not that big. Well, I think 256 should be enough of characters either way, so we're gonna go with that just because. And then we can give it the size buffer, and then we can do the format, which is, well, that. Let's see, what are you saying? Ah, yes, format, the fuck my teeth library. Limit to 720p, fight back against the rich. Bro, if that's the qualification for rich, I'm considered rich. I didn't know I had that bling bling, you know what I'm saying? A burn Lucas on the stick. Pixel spread, yeah. Alright, wait. So, we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna do that, and that's it. And then what we're gonna provide is the clip. This also, we'll see. We'll just take, we got the information here, which is the width first. And I'm a donkey, I just realized, sorry guys, happens. Clip info, width, and then we're gonna do clip info height. Boom. Save that. Paste that, and we're gonna do another one for the what's it called? The FPS side, FPS buffer, buff, and then we're gonna say FPS, and it's the same shit but different, you know, num and then, which should also leave here FPS num, then FPS, then. And then what we can do is just replace this with that. So size, and we probably need to do the try. Just realized it's okay. We cannot say what? And I just realized that this one also needs to be... Well, thank God, Sig... I love that Sig doesn't allow me to do stupid shit. There, boom! Alex Man Designs, nice to see you grind, Lucas. Looks like a fun project. Hello, Alex Man, how are you? Damn! Thanks for the... Yeah, we're grinding here. Same shit but different. Ah, yes, so different? Yes, it is different.
Hello, Lucas.
Hello. Wait, okay, so now because we are hot reloading, we don't even need to restart the application, do the cuts again.
Oh.
We can... A VC? Yeah, we do have a VC over here, but...
A VC? Yeah, we have a toilet here.
So we reloaded the system, and now if I press E... Fuck. Okay, what's the problem?
Yes.
Unable to
yes.
parse
Hot
frame
reloading.
rate value. 120 as video rate, error setting options frame rate to value, error opening invalid argument, error opening into... Okay, wait. Unable to parse frame rate. What the fuck? Option value.
Seems like someone's having trouble.
But that's the FPS.
Libraries.
That's the FPS they gave me.
Well, seems like someone can't be trusted with the frame rate now, can
No. This is the frame rate that they gave me when I parsed the... Fuck.
Well, seems like someone's having troubles. Is
I
that
guess
right, Damon?
I guess it's because
Yep.
you cannot do. You cannot directly. Can you do? Is because the original recording is an
Yes.
MP4.
Yes.
That makes no sense, Harold.
No, that's the kind of use it though. It's like a song in the making, you know.
Making a song in the.
You're making a song in the making.
Yes, I'm making a song.
Oh well. Hello.
I would assume it's because a GIF probably can't go with 120. Why is it even recording with such a high? Wait, what the fuck?
Bro, hello, the Hyunai. Also, what are these letters, bro? What are those?
What are which letters?
Yeah, in his name.
Who?
Chinese. What? Bro, those are some funky Chinese letters.
Isn't that? Wait.
No, it's not.
Miso? No, wait, it's not Miso.
No, bro. I knew that's what I knew, bro. You're a racist.
But
Miso actually has
Miso
Korean letters.
Miso has the same.
Racist.
Miso has the same.
Guys, exposed. This is a
Miso
racist
has the
right
same letters, almost.
Oh, you are from Lorenzo server. Well, that's great. Am I even there? I don't know if I'm there.
Lorenzo, he's on the disc. Oh, it's probably Mari.
Yeah, but does Lorenzo have his own Discord server?
Yeah, Lorenzo. I don't know. I don't get. Why do you want to spell Lorenzo as a Rolenzo or pronounce it
Because
like that?
it's like a Rolex. It's a Rolexo.
It's a Rolex. It's a Rolex. Yes. No, bruh. Wait, what? Okay. I assume this is because of the GIF limitations. Let's see. can probably give it a little bit more, but we can ask. This because of GIF limits? If so, I guess we need a new. I guess we need a new workaround. Because
but you know, Marie or yeah, I don't know, man. You have a lot of names, but okay. So are you a Lucas live stream enjoyer or hater?
or hater.
Like,
Not a GIF
yeah,
limit.
because I know
Your
which one I
R
am.
string is one with the rate wants a slash. Oh, my donkey ass.
Your donkey ass.
My donkey ass. Okay, let's see. That it hard reloaded. Let's try once again. Press E. Well, I didn't even send a confirm message, but the whole application froze. So I guess we're doing something right. Application not responding. we can wait. We've got time. I think it's probably such a small buffer. It's probably because the buffer is so damn tiny that I don't know.
Wait, Lucas, you have this person making thumbnail for you, bro. What?
Yeah, actually, wait. Mario made the Minecraft ambient occlusion one. Wait.
Wait. So you're telling me that Marie is actually the goat behind your thumbnails back in the day when there were actual videos? That's crazy.
Wait.
Who knew?
Let me show you. This one. The banana. I remember the freaking banana.
The banana.
The
Bro,
banana.
but that's an actual good thumbnail.
It is.
Nah, bro, we gotta remove this. It's the only good thumbnail on this like thing actually. It's the only high quality one.
It is such a freaking good thumbnail. It's the best one for real. I think.
Yeah, there's like ass, bro. Like, actually, I don't know about the Rick Astley one. That's kind of good though.
This one is fire. It's
Yeah, this one is like
I think it's mainly because the banana.
You know, Lucas, maybe you should go back to C++. You know, like the content. You know, it's been kind of dry since Sig. You know, I'm not gonna.
No, Sig had a good boom here.
A good boom.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. You get 3 big booms, alright?
3 big booms. No, that's crazy. I mean, honestly, I should just do assembly. My best performing video is assembly.
What? That video? What is so? Your coding theme isn't very good in that one. That's what I'm trying to say.
It's not the assembly. It's assembly. It's like it's not the theme. It's the story. It's the journey. Well, actually, my best video is learning rendering Vulkan C++.
Yeah.
My worst one is
That's right.
Unreal Engine videos. Those are my worst ones. No wait, actually this one is my worst apparently. Okay guys, I'm doing worse than I was doing when I started. It's okay. Okay, I guess that this thing is not being exported, is it? Nope. Do we even get anything? Well, ls strep .gif. What do we have here? We have an out.gif. The application is just not responding. Let's see.
Am I using Funar, Funar?
Funar?
Yeah, Fumars.
Okay, let's see. What did it actually export? Well, there is something, I guess. It's getting there.
Nice and crisp quality.
Nice and crispy. It's a bit slow. I'm not gonna lie.
A bit slow, you say? No, this is just coding speed. Bro, it's not a GIF encoder or anything. This is
But
just the speed you were.
It exported the right thing though, I think, because it's it's not so fucking slow. Yeah, it exported the right thing.
Lucas, this is what I see when you code, alright? It's like you're struggling with your Alzheimer's to find the error.
But it worked, bro, it worked.
You know, when Lucas's mic cuts out, you never know if he's dead serious or laughing his ass off on the other side of the little screen. You never know, man. You gotta sit in anticipation until he reacts. Or well, until his mic reacts. I
Wait,
guess.
wait, what is that? I'm watching. Sorry, I have to take this up on stream. This is the weirdest shit ever.
Bro is watching corn.
What is the thumbnail? Why did I get that resolution? What the fuck happened? I
Yeah,
swear. I swear.
that's-
swear. Why do we have a Twitch stream of Discord? Wait, what? Wait, what? What do we have?
Oh. Yeah, that's just how it is, you know.
Wait, what? Why do we
Lucas,
have? Why do we have Twitch
welcome to
stream
the-
of Discord? In wait, what? Do
Yeah,
you...
yeah, like why are you streaming Discord is the question.
Oh yeah. It's so people who are here get the more live.
Get a free shout out.
Yeah. They get.
And all the
the-
people here is like me, so yeah.
Yeah. But what the fuck? I have no way that's the actual like. Ain't no way. Wait, hold on. Is it this one? No, it's that one. Oh my god, it actually got exported like that.
Flashbang, bro. Bro, hell no.
Why did it export
You know
it
what?
like that? I swear
Bro,
to
when
god.
I see that, this is what I feel.
For real, bro. I have to fix that, guys, real quick. Oh my god, that's how. Damn. That's just That's a funny. I swear to God, it didn't look like that. I uploaded
Lucas
it.
failed to be a YouTuber, episode 2.
It didn't look like that. I'm telling you guys, something happened. Something happened. It didn't used to look like this. Okay, let's see.
Lucas, do you agree with this sentence?
This is how
If
it
Lucas
should
can
look.
do it, then anyone can do it.
This is how it should look. Looks
Okay,
right.
Yeah, you see, bro, like this guy.
Long sign document. Export. Okay, now it's right. Don't know what the fuck was that, but I'm gonna quickly upload that one to fix that shit. That's bullshit.
You know, Lucas, I'll give you some motivation to continue making videos, okay?
You will give me motivation to continue making videos. No, that's great. So what will you give me?
Yeah, it's music. Or do you have my soundboard muted, perhaps?
No, I don't have it, but it's I can.
Du bist gut genug, man.
Edit.
Right. You're good enough.
Do you want to continue? I want to continue editing. A/B test. Oh my god, it's removed all of my A/B. So I have to re-upload all of them. Okay, it's fine.
Yeah, you gotta re-upload the video, actually.
Oh, not that.
You know, you wouldn't really lose any views anyways.
What is this hate, man? You're always hating on me.
What is this hate, bro? No. You see, it's kind of like Damon is the angel on your left shoulder and I am the devil on your right shoulder, right?
Mm.
It just happens to that the angel doesn't speak very much, right? And the devil is always there. So, you know, I'm just giving you motivation. Yeah, exactly. You hear? Yeah.
Okay, wait. I need to check. What was the? Okay, that was the title. Surface nets, microstream smooth, and then I want surface net explained. Like so. Okay. Set test. Okay, now the thumbnails should be fine.
Nah, bro, looks like shit to me. It's just because,
The thumbnails
Because
should
the
be fine.
goats.
They should be fine.
bro. It's just because Marie didn't make them, bro. I swear.
Yeah, it's because me too. Wait, Marie didn't make them. Fuck.
Yeah,
Marie,
me
look
too,
what
bro.
happens
Yeah,
when you're
yeah.
not making my thumbnails, man. They go complete to shit.
Yeah, like what am I even looking at here?
And all-
Like this is just piss streams transforming into dirt. Like, bro.
Let's see. But yeah, okay. We need to. Let's see. Wait. Katin band. He checked. It was what? Very many thanks. It is fixed now. Me, England. Dyslexic.
Bro, dyslexic. Nah, bro, Lucas ain't even dyslexic. I don't know. He's beyond dyslexic.
Yeah, I'm dyslexic too.
You know what? I'm a dyslexic hater. I hate them all, and I can say it because I am one. So I hate all people who have dyslexia.
Oh man,
they
that's all.
die.
That gotta be a lot of hate, man. I'm just saying.
Yeah, I know. But you see, like I am one, so I'm allowed to say it's kind of like the N word, you know. It's like I can say that. So
I think I'm kind of stuck here. It's not killing this
cancel
thing.
me.
Cancel you?
No, they can't cancel me because.
Oh, they will cancel you.
No, they can't.
Was I supposed to do a flush after every? Nah.
Yeah, don't forget to flush
I flushed the toilet.
the toilet.
Then close the.
God damn it.
I see. I see what the problem is. We're gonna force exit. I see that sometimes my brain is the forget, and that's not good. Wait, how do I... Is it... How do I close the... I like that. That makes sense. That requires a
Bro.
try.
Oh, actually, the GIF I sent in this chat, it took so long to load, and it changed the title does not say anything. It just says like Israel in form. Bro.
Alright, wait, I want to see how long this can take. Debug. Log. Oh my god. Wait, no, it's std log debug, my bad. Always do it in the wrong order. CAB export. And we'll do this. Actually, we can do a start. And then we can go to about there. I want to do kind of like end. Just so I kind of know where we are going at, you know. So we'll have 4 ends. We don't really need to number them because we will know which one we're talking about when it happens. Okay. Same thing again. I want to cut this part. So, oh yeah, yeah, it happened. And then at the end, I don't like. I want it to land on the link. Boom. I should probably make it a little bit so it stays maybe at that frame and not jumps, because it's. I think I think I cut something wrong. It's okay. And then it's this one I like to get rid of. So we're gonna get rid of that section. Oh. Okay, so now we start from there. We don't hover for 2. Yes, and then we are about to hit the link, but I cut too early. Okay, let's do an E. So export start, and then it died. That's great. Oh.
It reached an unreachable thing. Yeah, only in Lucas's apps. It's a feature, alright?
The Marie Yippee! Woo! Child wait. Why
What are
is
these
it
Mario sounds, bro? From nowhere. Bro, did my guy kill a Goomba or something?
kill a Goomba, brother?
Yeah, bro, you're making Mario sounds here, bro.
Oh no, you're not hearing the stream sound effects. They're using
Stream sound?
yeah, they're using their points to sound cool. They sound very cool.
Bro, these dumbasses watch to get points.
Hey.
Bro, like I'm one step ahead, bro. I can do this for free all day long.
As long as I don't mute the soundboard, bro.
No. And my voice is annoying enough, so it's fine.
Why does it like die on the when I say wait? It says unreachable, but I shouldn't. Do I even need to say wait? Can I just not wait then? Am I doing something wrong with wait? Blocks until process terminates and then cleans up all resources. Child ID is not null, but I just closed the IO. That shouldn't. Okay, time.
What is
see.
this? More debug prints from Lucas that say nothing.
Yeah.
Ah, yes.
Is it that if I close then the wait becomes problematic because it's running all of this, which it's doing an export and all, but then this thing, two things. The panic after child is close set child equal null. It closes any still non-null pipes itself, so it's double closes the FD unreachable export, and first for the 3 times it's your flag being cleared where system drains it. Oh! Yeah, but it is clear because it's set every frame. Set only on press. Yeah, it's cleared every frame. It's by default set to false.
Well, Lucas. Child wait. Nah, what are you doing to children, bro? You
Good luck with the project. Alright, thank you so much, Marie. Take care and say hello to Lorenzo for me.
Yeah,
do it with an R.
Yes, with an R. Yes, say wish him a Merry Christmas from me.
Oh, wait. Could I just not close then? And let
No,
wait
no,
do
no.
it?
No, that's not possible.
If he
DO it.
DO it?
And let wait.
If he
What is
reappears
this
like
sentence, bro?
ever, sure. Okay, yeah. Yes, wait closes the pipes before reaping, so gets its end of-
Reaping?
Just make sure you flush the writer first, or the tail of the last frame stays in the buffer.
What is Lucas up to, bro?
So I don't
What
need
the
that,
hell?
but it's weird
This
because
prompts. Oh, so could I? It's just, bro. No, go back.
my
to
guy's
the-
just hating on my vibe.
Bro, you need vibe coding for the prompting, bro. Why the prompting?
Bro, you need to go vibe coder school to prompt properly. What the hell is that?
Yeah, actually, bro. You're not even using Chinese. Man.
Wasting
guy can't even
tokens.
Yeah, you're wasting tokens by not using Chinese. What
Let's
a
see,
waste.
start and now it's stuck forever.
Ah, yes. So such nice prints.
The wait, the wait waits forever.
The wait. The wait. Yes. The wait. 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 You know,
There's
AI
the
waits.
proof. Your STD backend waits event doesn't close the STD first, so if anything never sees and the file go back to explicit close. This is a little bit weird. Do you actually have to do it?
Lucas, maybe you should try using the FFmpeg thing packaged for SIG instead of calling it via, child process.
I will do it later. Anyways, is this is it
later.
like
never.
this thing? If you this is a little bit interesting that you would have to do it like this manually before you call and wait, or
What are you even doing, bro?
I'm writing in the data to the FFmpeg to actually create the GIF into the STD.
That sounds boring.
Well, why did you ask?
No, I'm just saying it's boring.
Oh, okay. But is it you have worked more with the IOs? Like, is this actually like true that you have to do it like this? You have to close it and then assign it null before you can call wait, or could I just say kill? Is kill better in this case?
I don't know, man. I don't do child processes because there's always a better way.
Probably
So I just
yes.
don't do them.
Ah.
Yeah, and the better way here is just getting the FFmpeg thing package for SIG. Yes.
We could do it, but now I'm doing this thing. I'm closer to getting this thing done than I'm to doing whatever you're saying.
What?
Yes. Oh, what? Don't redeem it. Well, I'll assign it to null then. I don't trust this, but let's see if that's actually the case. It feels odd that you would have to do it like that. Okay, let's try again. Cut that, and now I will cut it so we're on the link. There. And then I want to get rid of that part. Okay, that should be it. So now if I press E to export, it starts and it ends and we're back. So now I can hover and continue editing if I want. And we got it exported, hopefully. Let's see. Oh wait, it's not in here, it's in... And then, well actually I can just do Brave, I don't even need to do this. And then out. There it is. That's pretty cool. I mean, it's a step towards the right direction at least. We're right now recording something and then we're exporting it. And we can cut it and we can edit it and whatnot.
Blah, blah, blah.
Maybe a bit slow though.
My name is Lucas.
My name is Lucas and I do Lucas things with my Lucas friends. Where's the soundboard for that? Don't we have the soundboard for that?
I'm activate. You don't even have soundboard, Luber, so it's like...
No soundboard.
Yeah, no soundboard for you, Lucas.
My name is Lucas. I do Lucas things.
Oh, Damon has it.
Oh.
Let's see, we got it, we got it. I'm gonna take a screenshot and send it in cool things. First, export. Wow, it's not good, but it's there. So that's pretty cool. I would say, I would argue. Who's with me? I think it's pretty cool.
Blah, blah, blah.
Blah blah
That's
blah.
right.
And oh, as soon as I posted,
I don't really see it moving, bro.
oh, it's a bit slow because
Great GIF, bro. It is an image, goddamn.
it's just an image. I screenshot I sent. Brother, shut up, fuck up. Let's say
It's a screenshot.
let's say I just wanted this movement here. Where it goes. Okay, so we're gonna cut it from there. And then we're gonna do this and we're gonna take it and cut it from there. So now we only got this and that's all I want, right? I don't want anything else. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna export that again. It should overwrite the old one, and because fuck me, we are gonna do this now. TDTMP, and then we're gonna do Brave out, and here it is. Just does this line. It's a bit so, but yeah, we can cut it, we can edit it. Now we just need control Z because now I cannot get back my shit without restarting the application. But it is a step, and based on this we can improve and make it better, you know? It's pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool. Who thinks it's pretty cool? I think it's pretty cool. You can do a git add, git commit,
1,000 years
dash
later.
m, initial export, working, git push. Then I want to go and take a real quick look inside of wait here because it's asserts child ID and then it does child weight v table. Oh, that's why it's so hard to know what the fuck is actually going on because it's just a v table.
Yeah, bro. It's easy. Bro, Lucas. Everything that has function pointer is that the devil himself, alright?
Because now I cannot directly find which one function it's calling, right? I just say wait, and I don't know what is being called. It's just a child wait here. I don't know which one it is. It's awful. It's very sad. Does it create the... Oh no, this is also a V table. It's not a V table here. At this point, I could just go to C++, to be honest. The amount of V tables.
You should. You should, Lucas. I want to see your C++ skills.
Bro, it's gonna be better than C. No, I don't think it would.
I don't know.
The
I don't
type
know,
system in C is just so freaking superior. Like, I cannot.
Yeah, but bro, you don't know how the type system works. God damn it.
No, but I know that it works.
Ah. Okay. So bro is 10 steps ahead.
Yeah, easy.
Hmm.
Should we render each an individual frame on this? Nah, that's just too much fancy details. We need to be able to cut shit. Oh, that's so freaking cool that we can still do this. Okay, what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna try it on something a little bit more real, right?
A bit more unreal, some would say. Good one. Still got it.
I still got it. Shut the fuck up.
What do you mean? Bro, I still got it. Alright.
You can do this CD projects.
This guy, bro.
Ah.
Got a hater.
And we can do we can play a little bit of Planetary Sigma and record that and try to make a GIF out of it.
GIF. Bro, you say GIF. Everyone knows it's pronounced a GIF.
Put that on the side.
I actually say GIF.
And what we can do now is we can go to our GIFer. Oh right, I forgot.
Oh, Lucas, wait. You should rename it to Jeffer.
Oh my god. And then here we can now go and just RM. I think I got test that. And now if I do this and we do a recording over here. And then we do a little bit of shooting. And then we go and here and we do that. There we go. We got our GIF editor here with this beautiful. And you see, it took me some time to get to the point to shoot, and I want to start. I didn't want all of this bullshit here. I wanted when I got here to this place. So I'm just gonna.
Bro,
cut.
say bullshit, bro.
Yeah.
This is a family-friendly PG-6 stream.
And then the frame rate is not at the point. It's like slowed down for some reason. But that's our. Oh. Right. That makes sense. That makes sense.
It's like I just hear Lucas just starting to die in the background and then the mic cuts out. It's scary, wary.
But because when we're playing the editor over here, I'm iterating based on play speed 60, but that's the complete wrong one to
Constants
do.
above fields. This guy.
But what we actually want to do is, oh god, what have I done? It's okay, because I didn't know about this, but now I do know about this. We need to change this slightly, because this is actually supposed to be a... We should actually store it when we get in, but we can just recalculate it here for hot loading purposes. Or we could not. Because
Reloading.
either way, we should probably just do it right now. So, instead of doing this play speed, the clip should know its play speed, right? Who's with me? I think the clip should know its play steal. What the fuck am I saying?
Play still with the
In a
head.
play steal. Oh.
With head play, that is. It is an important detail.
Little important detail.
Well, it's a pretty big detail, I would say.
This is just a bit. For the clip is supposed to store a date, but how are you supposed to remember that you need to calculate the play speed?
Clip. Yo, chat, clip that.
I'm gonna do this instead. We could have done it with hot loading, because for me it doesn't make sense right now to num divided by FPS.
Oh, FPS num. Bro, what is an FPS num though? frames per second number, but I thought frames per second already was a number. Seems like someone isn't good at naming.
Info FPS num divided by info FPS, that one.
Wow, info, how descriptive.
It's clip information.
Okay, but I thought the clip was the clip information.
Well, it is not.
So the stuff inside of the clip is not the information. Interesting.
I don't know what we're talking about anymore, but sure, why not?
I don't know, man.
My gun goes pew!
It goes pew, pew.
My gun does go pew.
My
That sounded really bad.
Things with my fellow Lucas friends.
Does it say Lucas Coconut?
Coconut melon. That's what it says.
Okay, now we should play the same speed. Yeah! It's not slowed down anymore.
Wow,
Well, it's a bit slowed down apparently because of the...
Lucas, how did
Oh,
you
it's
manage
around.
to make the game look even worse? What?
It's a rounding or it's like faster in the beginning than it slows down.
Yes.
How?
So I like it. Dude, how it's math, bro. It's like one of those like edits, you know, where they start off speaking normally and then they just make it slower and like more shitty. I don't know.
Oh my god. That's great. Why though? Is it actually no? It cannot be because of our...
FPS num, bro. FPS num.
Oh no! It's not FPS num because we need to divide it by the denominator. That's why we have it.
The denominator. You know, because what you know what they call me? You know, they call me the denominator.
I think they call you not that.
No. They do call me the denominator.
I really don't think they do.
You wanna know why? It's
No, I
because
don't wanna know why.
Denominate. Yeah.
Alright, that's crazy, bro.
Denominate your mother.
Denominate these.
Yeah, no. I denominate Lucas's mother.
Wait, what the fuck, bro?
Hey, yeah.
All with the power of headplay.
Is it actually slowing down or is it going the same speed all the time? Is it faster in the beginning? I can't say for sure.
Lucas is so skit, so he doesn't even see anymore.
I don't know if it's actually like slowing down at the end. No, I think it's the same speed. It just it feels like it's slowing down at the end, or is it? Okay, maybe I'm just schizo at this point, bro. I don't know, man. I don't know anymore.
Yeah, schizo shit, so. But Lucas, you can see how many frames per second the GIF is at the top left. Bro, it says 60 FPS. What is your problem, bro?
Yeah, I forgot about it. Anyways.
Yeah, I can also see how much this GIF editor is worth. Apparently $100.
So now we can actually do the thing that we wanted. We can do this. We can cut that, and I should probably see how much memory it would take to export it. And then I didn't want the... You see how much... All of this was unnecessary things. I don't need this. I want when I fire the last bullet.
No, you need that.
That was what I cared about. Now everything else... It's half of the GIF is basically useless. I don't want that. And it just takes precious memory. So now I press D to delete that part. So now we just have the part that I care about. Is this. Boom. And we could also cut something in between.
Cut.
But we're let's export
if I
this
cut
one.
and then I want to reorder the things. What then?
Well, you cannot reorder the GIFs. That's not... Well, I guess you could, because you cannot...
Oh, you didn't account for that.
You can select the ones here that you want to care about, so I guess you could...
For these.
Oh my god,
I don't
Damon,
account
you
for
need a doctor, Damon.
Dr. Damon?
Dr.
Yo, that's kinda
Damon?
freaky, bro.
Dr. Damon.
Yeah. That's gonna be
You
his
guys
stage
coming for
name.
your colonoscopy?
Yes, just because of you,
Oh.
Damon, my bro.
Yeah, Dr. Damon is actually a gynecologist, right?
Hell yeah!
But
Yeah,
it seems
I
like
would
it
not trust David with that, bro. I swear, bro. Bro
I
would
got
just
my
shove in...
nickname Wiggles from.
Wiggles! Oh, whoa, bro. That is not a good nickname. Bro, you're driving away all the
28
customers.
mega? Nah.
Mega?
We need
Bro,
to
you know what?
we need to fix these exports ASAP. Imports,
I
exports.
Imports, what? The same thing.
But yeah, what we could do is like one that deletes every other frame, because I probably don't need as many frames, and that would already reduce the amount of images and
the
storage
amount of
by
GIFs.
half.
Yeah,
You know?
GIFs. Yeah, it remove the GIFs. Yes. Do you export like multiple GIFs for one GIF or something?
Yeah. No. Look. What we can do is that we can close that, and what we can do in
Bro,
here.
you're using this browser.
Yeah, I have to use my browser.
Don't you have like an image viewer?
No.
Sucks to suck.
Wait, we're gonna commit it with the what do you wanna call the fixed
The
speed.
denominator.
Yes. But what we can do now is we can add a option to. We should probably make buttons instead of keys for all
Lucas.
of this. But
Say my name.
Harold,
No, it's denominator.
nominator,
Denominator.
the nominator.
No, it's like the
Yeah, the
nominator.
nominator. I said that.
No, it's the, and not the. The.
These nuts.
No.
I don't. I will just give it a key such as I, because it's so far away from everything else that it makes
You're
sense.
not giving it a key though.
I don't like Harold sometimes, but he's a friend, so I'm just gonna withstand him, you know.
A friend, bro. You know, as the denominator.
And then what we can say for
Bro, keep your
uh,
enemies closest.
sleep.
Keep your friends outside. That's what they say. Right?
keep your friends outside.
Yeah.
And then we got the ordered ones,
But what if
items,
they are unordered?
and we'll capture that.
Capture the flag? Question mark.
No, we need to capture the actual
The
len. Yeah.
You're not capturing the len.
Well, you know what I mean, brother.
But chat doesn't.
Okay, what are we
Right.
doing? Tell us, Harold. Give us your knowledge, your insight.
Okay, so you do the denominator divided by the.
No. What are we
exterminator.
capturing here? Tell us, what are we capturing here?
Oh, we're capturing the index.
The len.
No. It's a different thing.
And then basically here what we'll do, if
Actually, Lucas, what you're doing is you're capturing the current index of the iota of the length.
oh, that's crazy. Anyway, so if it's that, then we'll just continue. Otherwise, what we'll do is we'll have
Shouldn't
to
it be equals 1?
we'll have to remove this current.
Yeah, have fun.
That there has to be a smarter way of doing this.
Imagine there was something called an STD Q. What? No, that's one step too far. A Q in the big 26.
No, but we have to delete every other one.
Yeah, you can use a Q. Or hear me out. You load it into 2 arrays, and they're like every other frame is in one array, and the other one is another array. You know. Yeah, that's really smart.
That says really smart though. I was wondering if the array list has such a function that just no. What would it have?
No, STDQ, bro. STDQ.
But what isn't
No.
why?
Because STDQ allows you to pop elements that are in the middle, for example.
Huh? Does?
Yeah. the STD queue, but just don't think about the amounts of memory copies that's gonna happen, okay?
Oh yeah, that's
Just don't think about it. I mean, let's say, whoa, hear me out. What if you have indices in a queue?
But the thing is why I use the array list is because I can cut a range out of it.
Yeah, and you know we can sort of do that. But like, let's say you actually have the data one array, and then you have a queue which has all the indices.
Wait,
Right,
your
because
voice
the
is kind of
indexes-
lagging and my Spotify is too
Lagging in your
or
head.
music is
yeah,
too
that's-
loud. Sorry?
Yeah, so if you have indices, you know, think about like Vulkan. You have vertices with data, right? And you have indices,
Mm-hmm.
right? And then you can just cut the indices
Yeah, that's what I'm
and do all
doing
the
basically.
operations. Oh, okay, but then it shouldn't be hard to pop half the indices. Like
No,
the
but
other case.
basically, wait, because we got the replace. I use this replace range, right, with array list, which just says that if you do from, you can do to playhead, which is from start to playhead, right? Or you can do from playhead to the end of the clip, right? It's quite easy to just do this, and then you can do the selection, which just the selected frames that you got, you can replace those with nothing, basically. Or they actually get removed, but could you do that also with the queue, that you can just completely remove a whole thing in one go, or?
What do you mean remove a whole thing? Just in the middle of something or?
Yeah,
end
wait,
or-
let me show, because these things, what they do, this is an array list down here, right?
Yeah.
So what I can do is that if I press C, it removes this thing from the array list as one, you know, one go.
Yeah, that's a queue. This sounds like a queue.
But can you just do one in one go? Like you don't do 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah.
You can?
Yeah.
Wait.
I can draw you how the queue works.
Well, it's a DQ in Sig, I guess.
DQ.
But still, like, wait, can it do it? What is the?
Yeah, because it has the buffer and it has the head, right? Well, if you scroll up to the fields, you see the length and the head.
Mhm.
Basically, the length is kind of like the end, I guess.
Yeah, it's the
And then
it's
head-
not
and head
capacity.
is the
It's
start.
actually the. Is it actually the len or is it capacity?
Well, capacity is stored inside of the buffer.
Okay, so this is then what you actually occupy, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, you see the comments here. It's the number of items, right? Like, wait, I'll actually stream my screen here. So, how are you looking, Luber?
Wait, I will put you on the big screen.
Yeah, that's good, that's good. You guys can enjoy him for a little
What
second
the?
as well. Okay, so, ignore all this. Alright, so, you have the... Okay, you know what? Let's start with an array list so we see the difference, right?
Mhm.
Not fill. Bam. So here's an array list, right? You can add an element, right? You see we're adding elements,
Yeah.
and then you can remove an element at the end, right? You see?
Mm.
But a queue is different because you can add an element here, right? Add an element here, let's say, add an element here. And let's say we want to remove the one at the start. Well, then we'll just put the head to be over here. You see, it's moved forward one.
Mhm.
And now the actual array is this part here, right?
Yeah.
And if we want to pop the end, then we do this, right? And now this is the queue, right?
Yeah. Well.
And if you want to remove one in the middle, it's just gonna copy all this stuff over here. Just, you know, bam. See? Bam. And then this one, bam. So that's the queue.
Maybe it could work. I'm just trying to think because it's where did it work?
I think it would be exactly what you want.
And you can also do like it's not just one item. You can do this with multiple items in both direction and middle.
Yeah. I'm pretty
And,
sure you.
well, I
can.
mean-
Maybe not middle, but.
Because I do need the middle. But wait, because also the thing is that is originally is one array. The original. Wait, I'm gonna show my stream what I'm doing, right? Let's see. Oops. Because the original array here. This is an array. The original, the whole footage is here with this, and each of these has an index to which frame we're talking about, and that corresponds then to all of the bytes in that frame, right? All of every single pixels, right?
Yeah.
And then this is the actual, and then I have like kind of like ordered, which is on top another array, which in the beginning is indexed from 0 to the max, like len -1 basically, right? So they're one to one. And then basically what I want to be able to do is that I want to be able to select in the middle and replace range, and it just removes this completely and attaches this one over to here. So when the playhead plays through, it gets to this point and it plays the same, clip. But then when it goes to the next one, it would jump to here, or it actually continues here, and that one jumps here. It never plays this section, right? On the actual data. And then same for when you cut end or beginning. Because now if you cut the beginning, it's over here. And when you say now, cut from 0 to 4, the 0 refers to this one still. And you go forward, you cut from here.
Sure. Works great.
But that will work with Q as well. And basically what I'm trying to do now is just that every other frame could be cut off from here to see if I could get half the data without losing too much. Because if I do 120 FPS, I should be fine by cutting like every other frame without seeing anything too big. At least if it's if it's just a GIF.
If you want to remove like every other frame, maybe a linked list.
Well, I'm thinking I could probably just do because all I could do is just make a half of the size of this one, right? I see how large this ordered one is. And then I allocate another one with this size. And then I just copy every other index into here. And that should work. And then I just assign that one and I keep it.
Okay, wait. If you want to do like every other frame, right? So we want to delete half the frames essentially. Your thing is just you're gonna allocate like half the size of the current one and then just fill it in, or?
Yeah, with every other frame.
Yeah, sure.
I think that's still like way more superior than linked list management and just having continuous.
It would be like I don't think like traditional linked list with like pointers and all that. You would still have like one array, but you can just have indices or something. But yeah, no, this also works.
Yeah.
Should be about the same memory footprint as well. But
well, now you don't have pointers that I hate so much.
No, but you won't use pointers. You would have like in the frame you would have next frame and then it would be an index or next frame index, I guess.
Well, then you would have to store both. Wait, you would have to store which one this one points to in the actual array, but also which one is my next one. So you would have double the size of memory.
Oh no, because then you wouldn't even need the indices. You would just need the frame data or all the frames,
Yeah, I have this is the original frame, right?
Yeah, like these are all the frames, right? And then the actual frame contains the index of the next frame.
Yeah, but how do I know? Wait, this one contains the next one. But how does this one know which one it's supposed to point at? Wait, is it itself?
Right. I can.
But if it's itself, it has to know kind of like. Whoa. I guess if you store the whole array from the beginning, you could use that.
Look at my stream here. Okay.
Wait, I'm doing it. Okay.
Okay. So we have a bunch of frames here, right? Frame 1, frame 2, frame 3, frame 4, frame 6, 7. I don't know how many this is. Okay, great. And you see, this one. Let's see. How do we paint? Man, but okay, I don't know how to use this. We'll just use this, right? So this one points to this, right, and this one points to that, this one points, you know, and so on and so on. And these are indices, right?
Yeah.
So this is index 0, which points to index 1.
Yeah.
Index 1 points to index 2, right? And now if we want half of them, right, we start here at this one, and then we're like, okay, so we don't care about this anymore, so we're gonna set the indexes to be +1, right? So now it's this one. And then we can go to this one and be like, okay, so we just want to do +1 on this one, right? And, you know, it, same one here, you know,
Mm.
right? And let's say we want to cut out, like this part here, this 3 frames, right? Then you would basically be like, okay, so this one now points to this one, right?
Mm.
And then you skip this in play.
I guess, but yeah, I guess I don't know if it's.
It should also be kind of easy to like do control set with this as well, because if you keep like track of the changes, right? Because you have all the frames.
Yeah,
like, still
like
in
you
memory.
you could easily implement that with that as well. But I'm just wondering.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know directly with performance in that sense, because now you would have to always, instead of just iterating a continuous array, you would now have to still have to jump from one place to another of the array. You know, if it's
Yeah.
but this is the hot path, so I think this one would. It's not that bad if when you do an edit. Edit you do more rare than you do rendering of the frames. So I think that it's a nice.
Yeah, well, you can well we can fix that problem, because I get what you mean with the iterating, because it likes to iterate, you know, like yes, right. So here we have the frames, right? And basically you see now, like, these are kind of the indices, or like this here would just contain like the next index, right? So it would be an array of U sizes or something, and it would just be the index to the next frame, right? So it's really cheap because it's just integers and shit, right? And you see this one here points like to this one and this one and this one, right? They all point like one up, right? So the same indexes, point up, right? But now if we want to do the edit, like we want to cut out this yellow part here, right? This 3. Well, now we just like cut this out, right? And now in actually, would that solve anything?
But with this now you do
Yes,
have the double
yeah,
size
yeah.
stored, because you need to know next and you didn't need to know which one it corresponds to.
Well, you know which one it corresponds to because you have the index when like looping.
Well, I mean, not if you jump here, you have for 0 and 1, but now you jump 3, 4, 5 to 6, but the loop is
Yeah.
still on 3 or 2. I don't know which way. But
Yeah, exactly. Like this doesn't actually solve the problem, right? I'm actually kind of dumb. But,
No, but
there might be another reason though, or another fix, which is that we can store the current state, right? So, like him out, if we still have all these things, like they just point to the next one, right? Now when we want to cut this here, right? Then we can do this, we point to the next, but we still just iterate over them. But because we know which one is gonna be the next index, right? Like the for loop will basically go here like, oh, render this, okay. Don't render this, don't render this, don't render this, render this, render this, render this, right?
But then you would have to do an if check on the hot path for every single
Yeah,
one.
but this is one if check, so...
But it's a hot path, that's the only problem, that it's... ideally, we would just say that if this is already in the array, it's valid to use, right? We want to be quick about it. It's
But I think like still like pointing to the next thing would be the like it then is really easy to implement, like cutting, you know, every other frame or stuff like that.
Yeah, I do think so too, but we are also introducing on the hot path another like kind of jump branching. Because it still has to go do the arithmetic to go to that address, and then you could.
Yeah. I'm wondering how you could like fix this.
But it's also just doing the allocation is also fine, I would say. We just need to do the right allocation that we don't have an extra frame. And just swapping
The
out.
thing is, this like sure it destroys the hot path slightly, but it does save a lot on allocations, right? Because you only allocate once.
It
and then you
doesn't
have the
undo. You do
frames.
also get quite cheaply the undo and redo with that one.
Yeah, because you can basically just keep track of like what index was there before, right? It's very simple to do control set. And I mean, if you think about speed in general, right? Like either one hot path gets destroyed and we lose.
But
maybe like
that's the only hot path we have, so it's not one, it's the hot path that you're
yeah,
destroying.
it's the hot path, but you know, it's not like a super big app either, right?
Well,
But then you save a lot on like allocations, right? And allocations require syscalls, and syscalls are expensive.
yeah, but it's not that expensive if you consider that it can generate thousands of frame, and then you do like one syscall maybe still, so it's like It's but even though we're still running the app at like 2.5k FPS, so it's not it's not like we're gonna lose a lot of FPS no matter what we choose.
Yeah, exactly. I think it's just about. I mean, this does just make it so much easier to implement like some features, right? And I don't think it would be like way too costly. I don't know, man. It's your app in the end,
Yeah,
so whatever.
I'm thinking about it. I like your background, but I like the old one better.
Do you like this background?
Mm-hmm.
Nah, that's crazy.
I hope it's not influencing you, bro. It shouldn't, you know.
Oh no, right, whatever.
All right, whatever. It's not like a give.
Oh, this one. This one is good. This is a good background.
Put that on stream. Wow, it's perfect.
And you see, we can have my terminal here, and you know, then we open up new effects, and it's gonna be Ubuntu, right?
No.
Yeah. Oh,
We should,
well, new
we
effects
should
is
make that a
really great.
meme template for the server.
This.
Can you send
Yeah,
that? Just take
it's
a
already
screenshot of
unlocked.
your desktop with that and send it in memes.
Yeah, sure.
And then you can also send the template as a okay.
Maybe I can make a meme maker template with it.
Yes. That would be fire. Wait, but if I start with this and I say if 0 I continue, that means if there is 0 I will not do a single allocation. If there's 2 I will do one allocation. So the size we actually want is this. New order. STD. My bad. Capacity. PA. Why cannot do the slang to me? Damn. Size will click order items lamb divided by 2. And then we can do. Wait, what the? Oh my god, I'm dumb.
Yo, Lucas, look in memes.
I can look in memes.
Yes.
What the fuck, man? No.
What do you mean?
No.
Now you are forever a part of imgflip.com.
Oh no, I'm there.
Yeah, you're there now. If I search now, I usually search meme maker.
Lucas no like it. It looks
Yeah,
like more
yeah.
like flawless or like something like that. Perfect or flawless.
Flawless. What do
Yeah.
you mean, bro? No, that's like... No, Lucas does not approve of that.
Lucas not like.
Yeah. But-
I'm just saying.
Yes.
Yes, I'm saying yes.
If I go to view all memes and then I search here, Lucas, no, likey. Yes, bro. Bro, it actually does show up, so now anyone can use this amazing template. All for free. Yes, that's right.
Yes. Oh my god. It's gonna be funny.
Yeah, bro, it's gonna be the most popular meme ever now.
Always has
Gonna
been.
be on, gonna be on TikTok and TikTok or some shit.
TikTok.
No, TikTok.
Nej.
That's the sound the clock makes. TikTok, 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 TikTok,
I think Mr. Harold needs some help.
TikTok, 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 TikTok. I bet you didn't notice I changed it over.
No, I didn't notice. It went too crazy that I lost my
God
mind.
damn it.
No, I banned him. I banned him.
Ban it! To
Who
the
did you
shadow.
ban? Who did you
Yeah,
ban?
Harold.
Yeah, what a
Harold, I
dumbass,
banned
bro.
you.
Yeah. Thankfully we banned that guy now. Phew.
Hey, how'd you get back in there? I thought I banned you.
Expected found
Who?
const.
Well, I think you're it's the wrong person, Damon. I don't know who do you think I am? I'm AI hardware. Art.
Your Harold
Harold Depp?
hardware.
Harold
No,
Depp, son of Johnny Depp.
No, bro. I'm Harold Hepp.
Flip ordered.
Hepatitis C?
Yeah. They were wondering about my new name.
Yes.
It's like a name.
Ordered is equal to new.
Lucas, you should read my new Discord name.
Wait, I think I
It
got
kinda
this.
rolls off the tongue, to be honest.
I think I got it now. So let's see if it works.
It does kinda roll off the tongue though. It kinda rhymes, you know.
Okay, let's see. I'm gonna press I. Let's see what actually happens. I think it worked. Yeah, the frame
Yeah,
rate
well,
didn't
Lucas-
change though, but it worked. So
Well,
now
Lucas, what this reminds
if I press E to export,
E.
EA Sports is in the
It's in the giffer.
it's in the
Giffer. Yo, Lucas, do you know about
It's in the
GIF
GNU.
It's
Yeah,
a GNU.
GNU.
Let's see what is the size of the thing now that when I removed half of the frames. It's still too big.
Lucas?
What?
Do you know about GIF lab?
Oh, GIF! I love GIF. I could go for some GIF
Yeah.
larks right now.
Bro, I love those. I love those. Those are the best things ever, man.
Let's see. I'm gonna start.
Lucas, you gotta read my name on Discord.
I'm trying to get this down to so I can
Maybe
upload it
not.
to Discord.
No, shush.
Let's try again. Export. How big is it this time? It's 13. I still need to remove. Okay, what if I half it one more time? Now it will be unwatchable. It's okay.
No, it's not unwatchable.
And now it is. Wait, what the fuck? I didn't export it. Okay, now I exported it. Okay, guys. Now it is 6.4 mega. I can upload it to Discord. Oh my god, guys, it works. Look at that.
4 mega? No.
Yes.
While you're in Discord, you can also look at my name.
Yeah, we can look at your name and we can also upload this thing to Discord.
To the interwebs.
The internet.
Maybe don't look at my name, just saying on stream, that is.
Lucas have hype.
Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, Lucas has Hive.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
It works.
Where
There
did
we
you say
go.
that?
I said the cool things.
Cool things.
Yes.
Delete message. Yes, sir.
No. Well, okay, it's a bit funky the formatting, but you know, it's alright. It's there.
Mm. Oh wait, I have the perfect GIF for this one. Yo, Lucas, look in Discord.
Do it there. This the piece of trash in my wait what? The piece of trash in my trash can looking at this GIF. Brother, that
Yeah.
that sentence got me fucked, bro.
Well, yeah, it's not even funny. Wait. The piece of trash in. Let's see.
Oh, it's trash can. I read it as trash. It can. Looking at
Yeah, it can. Okay, now read it. Now it's funnier.
the piece of trash in the corner of my room, looking at this GIF. Bro, that's
Yeah.
trash. That's trash. I read it like a trash can, like not trash can, but like as trash can
Yeah,
do
that's like a
something.
trash can. You read it like a trash can, so you're admitting to being a trash can.
I can't trash.
No, you literally can't trash, bro.
All right, we'll call it here for today. Good night, everybody.
No.
We will continue
What?
tomorrow with some more cooler
Oh.
optimization. Consider Harold's shits
Cool.
and
What?
gifs.
My
And
shit. So.
wait, Harold, what do we need to
And giggles?
consider Harold's shits and giggles?
Yeah, don't do that.
I'm gonna write it
This guy
down
doesn't know. He doesn't know what he's talking about.
to do. Is it FFM? Peg.
FFF.
What was it called? Like module? What did you call it? FFmpeg. What was it? To include in the project.
Shit packaged for
Package.
SIG. That's what I call it.
Sig. And we're also gonna
Oh,
consider
shit package for
pews
Zig?
instead of
Mhm.
arrays.
I know you're an FFmpeg
Or-
enjoyer.
Dude, I love FFmpeg. I use it daily, practically.
I only used MMmpeg.
Alright, but that will be it. Let's raid I borrow check. Let's do that.
I borrow check.
Yes.
Rust Station discovered.
Asian Rust? Ugh.
Yeah, Rust user, bro. Coding Rust in the Big 26.
Alright. We will raid that. Good night. Bye bye, everyone.
Bye bye. Don't forget Lucas has Haitian.
Bye! Lucas as if.
Quickly just gonna def so I can do one thing.